Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7D Pro, and today I'll be showing you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we will want to swipe down from the top of our screen, and then in this region right here, swipe down again, which will extend the list of visible toggles. Locate the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me looks like it's not added by default. So we'll need to add it ourselves. Let's click on this box right here, select Edit Switches, and you can see right away here's our Do Not Disturb mode. So you want to hold it. The text above that changes, and now we can drag it above here if it doesn't start to run away like I just did. And when you drop it above this line right here, you can then click on Done, and you now have access to it. Now you can either tap on it to turn it on right away, or you can hold it again in here, and this will take you to the settings where you can check out how it's set by default and obviously customize if something doesn't fit your needs. And to enable it, just like I said, click on it. First time around we get this pop-up, Do Not Disturb mode when enabled, calls and notifications will be silenced, alarms will ring as usual. You can check the box right here to not show this again, and then click on Enable. And you can see we have a moon icon right here that indicates that the mode is right now turned on. Now you'll need to remember to turn it off, as this mode will run indefinitely in the background if you forget about it. And to turn it off, just find the toggle once again, click on it, and you're good to go. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.